Hello there. Today we're talking to Capital Network's Ed Stacey, and for Ed's full report don't forget to click on the I. Well, the subject up for discussion today is Gamma Communications. Ed, tell us more.
So Gamma is a growth play within what is really a sort of dividend yield type sector, business, telecom, communications. So we wanted to see in our research report, how does this work? And it certainly does work. Gamma has share prices increased threefold since they originally listed just a little more than 3 years ago, compared to the peer group basically flattish. And the difference being, the peers are mostly yield plays. Gamma is the growth play. And I think the way they've done it really is just a strategic focus on certain technology-driven, higher growth services.
And what are those services specifically?
Yeah, there's a couple of things. First, probably worth talking about the route to market. Gamma's different from the peers in this way as well. They get around 80% of their revenues through channel partners, i.e. resellers. So what that means is when they have a technological edge in a particular area, they can roll it out across a wide customer base quickly. And so what are we talking about then, these technologically driven services? Two examples I'd focus on. First one, the virtual PBX. So PBX, private branch exchange. So that's the sort of internal telephone network within a business. So things like switching between different extensions, giving the caller a menu of options, etc. That's your PBX. Used to be you would have the physical infrastructure in the office. Nowadays it's possible to do it on the cloud, so a virtual PBX. Gamma aren't the only people who do it, but they've been doing very well at it in recent years, a big growth driver for them. And then the other technology I wanted to mention is SIP trunking. So this is a type of interface between a PBX and the external phone network. SIP trunking replaces the older style ISDN connections. And it's another area where Gamma's been doing very well. So these are the types of things that have been driving this growth. 19% per year growth in gross profits for Gamma. So it's working being in these areas.
And listening to those figures, how does that transfer into value for shareholders?
Yeah, well, look at the valuation. It's not tremendously expensive. 12 times EBITDA multiple now for a company with this kind of growth, with a strong balance sheet. So yes, the shares have been performing, but no, you're not paying a blowout sort of valuation on the shares now.
Ed Stacey from Capital Network, thanks very much indeed. And don't forget to watch for Ed's full report. Click on the I.